Royal health scare exposed, Prince Charles and Camilla safety fears sparks media blackout. Concerns surrounding the health of Prince Charles and Camilla prompted a press blackout last week, as royal advisors strive to keep the royal couple's location a secret as they left Balmoral estate. Royal advisors were on edge last week, when Prince Charles and his wife Camilla led the country in a 2-minute silence to commemorate V-Day. Leading up to the event, there had been a media blackout over who, where and how the 2-minute silence would take place. There was concern among royal aides that disclosing those involved in the V-Day event and their location would lead to a gathering of royal fans, since it took place on public land. While Prince Charles has experienced a battle with coronavirus, his wife the Duchess of Cornwall has not. Speaking to ITV's Royal Rota, expert Lizzie Robinson said, "The Balmoral War Memorial, where they were for the ceremony, is just outside the estate. So it is on public land, the public can access it. They were very careful not to disclose that location where Charles and Camilla would be leading the silence from. There was also concern that the royal fans would spread the infection amongst themselves." ITV's royal editor Chris Shipp added, "All week we just heard a senior royal member of the royal family would be leading the 2-minute silence. They wouldn't say who, or where, or how. And all of that was because they didn't want people to gather to come and look at them." Robinson responded, "Even when we found out it was Charles and Camilla from Scotland, they were very careful not to publicize the location, because they really didn't want to risk a public gathering because that is the worst thing to do at the moment." Chris Shipp also spoke about the strange tale behind the Balmoral War Memorial, where the V-Day tribute took place. He explained, "That war memorial always struck us as slightly strange. The one they erected after the First World War had what looks to us as Nazi swastikas. They have had to put up a plaque explaining that pre-Hitler, this symbol meant something completely different." Earlier this week, Charles and Camilla paid tribute and showed their support for postal workers who are busy working through the pandemic. Sharing a video on social media, the Duke and Duchess of Cornwall said, "The incredible value of what you do has never been more important. Today, as many people, ourselves included, are obliged to stay at home, Royal Mail plays an absolutely vital role in keeping family and friends in touch with one another. For that, we can only say how deeply grateful we are and send you our kindest wishes."